Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit Rustic home filter in Lightroom. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. You can download this presets for free, the link in the description. But before that, the file is password protected. Please check the password in this video. The password will appear anytime in the upper right corner of the screen. So let's start editing. Today I want to share with you some tips on how to make your photo look even better. Select the preset that you want to apply to the photo. Choose light from the bottom menu. Make your photo lighter or darker by adjusting the exposure. You can also adjust the colors.
You're slipping away and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time.
Just take a look, this small trick seriously makes your photo pop.
I know that you're afraid, it feels like every day things are slipping away. You're slipping away and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind.
Thanks for watching, drop a like, leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. You can support my YouTube channel by purchasing my paid presets. These are all premium presets. If anyone wants to buy or purchase, then you can contact me via email or Fiverr, and I can make any presets you like. You can support my YouTube channel by purchasing my paid presets. These are all premium presets. If anyone wants to buy or purchase, then you can contact me via email or Fiverr, and I can make any presets you like.